Hey, what's going on, guys? Tonight, we're making a video that I've been wanting to make ever since I've had my driver's license. It's fulfilling this goal of mine that I've had ever since I've seen the movie Fast and Furious or played video games like Need for Speed, or even Gone in 60 Seconds is a great movie. And they had this in there where majority of the cars shoot flames. And as I was driving along one day, I decided to, pop the two-step. My parents were beside me. They were coming home from church or something. And my mom pulled up next to us and was like this. She was like, "Oh my gosh." And I was like, what are you freaking out about? And she goes, "Your car's on fire." And I was like, "What do you mean my car's on fire?" And she's like, No, it shot flames. It shot flames. And I was like, really? Because I've never seen that. I know it makes a loud pop when the two-step hits, but I've never seen it shoot flames. So tonight, we are going out on a mission. We've got a GoPro. We're gonna mount that on the back of the car. My wife's gonna be filming with this, and we are gonna catch the Mustang shooting flames. And the reason why it does it is because of, like I said, my two-step. So I have a MSD two-step. So right there, you can see that's my MSD two-step. And it's set to 4,200 RPMs. What that means is when I depress the clutch all the way to the floor, fully engaged, and I hit that throttle, once it hits the 4,200 RPMs, this thing's gonna go pop, bang, and hopefully shoot a really cool flame, and we can get it on video. I'm excited. We're gonna go shoot it. We're going. For those of you guys that aren't super familiar with my car, it's a 2013 Mustang GT. It's got that two-step on it, as I mentioned before. It also has a catless X-pipe from Late Model Restoration. It's their SVE Off-Road X. And I also have Roush axle backs. And so that's the whole exhaust setup. And I think with it being catless and everything, that's one of the contributing factors to it shooting flames. It does have a tune. It's on 93 octane, so no E85 here. Maybe in the future though. Maybe in the future we'll throw some E on it, throw it on some corn. But yeah, we're rolling up to the spot now. We're gonna get some, hopefully some rolling shots and some standing shots of it spitting some flames. Wow, so that was really fun. One of those was so freaking loud, it was unreal. It was like a 50 cal going off. It was so loud. The microphone on this camera is going to peak out, so you're not going to be able to tell exactly how loud it is. But just trust me when I tell you, it was very loud. So those were the rolling shots. We're going to go and park in a little dark area up here, and we're going to do some standstill ones, probably like 3 or 4. This is my inner racer and me, the racer boy Sean, coming out. So, oh man, and it looks really good on camera. I know you guys love it. I love it. Oh, it's so good. Let's move forward and we'll go park and do some over there. Alrighty, so we found a spot. There is a little bit of light, which I wanted so you could see the whole car, but I'm gonna set up the camera, hop in, do a couple of revs, maybe move the camera around a little bit so you can get a different angle of it. But for now, I'm excited. I'm gonna set you guys down. We gotta go. Alrighty guys, we made it back to the garage. Car is safe and sound, I do want to put a disclaimer out there though, that I did not buy the two-step solely for the purpose of shooting flames. As you can tell on my wall right there, that's my big and little setup. I do go drag racing. That was the whole purpose of buying it. I didn't even know this thing shot flames until I hit my two-step next to my parents on the road one day. So, and then my mom, like I said earlier, she was like, oh my gosh, your car's on fire. But yeah, so that was crazy. That was insane. I can't wait to go review the footage. I saw some while I was out there to make sure we got the car in shot and everything, and it looked sick. I don't know how the audio is gonna work because it was just so loud. It's insanely loud. This Mustang is wild, man. But if you like this video, if you like the flames, make sure to hit that like button, and more importantly, hit that subscribe button. I'm on a goal to 10K. We're right there. We're so close. Soon enough, once we hit 10K, you'll hear me stop asking for them subs. Well, I won't stop asking, but I'll stop saying we're so close to 10K, because then we'll be over 10K, and then we'll be moving on to the next big goal, whatever that may be. So if you enjoyed the video, if you like Mustangs, you like truck things, make sure to hit subscribe. Other than that, it's been Sean or Mustang 09, and we'll catch you back here next time. Take it easy. Peace.